Good morning, 8th class children. We are doing problems on sets. First, what is a set? Definition. I defined. I explained in detail. It is the easiest chapter because it is very close to our surroundings. Set is nothing but collection of well-defined objects. You can give number of examples. Set of flowers, set of planets, set of 8th class students, set of cricket players, set of principals of all schools. We can give number of examples of your own like that. See, in this that is set and not defined. What are the objects are not defined? Beautiful things. The clever student, the cleverest, the tallest, like that. Best. These are not the defined words because it changes from place to place, person to person. You like non-veg, I may not like non-veg. So that is, it changes. That's why such words are not defined. Beautiful things, clever boys, tallest boys, like that. Best players, best players means it is in our village. They are playing good in our village, but they may not good in other places. That's why these are not defined. Now, sets are expressed in enclosed brackets, writing the elements with commas. You write this is enclosed bracket. A, E, I, O, U, like that. I explained from the beginning. I am explaining. And the next sets are expressed in two forms. One is roster form, the other is set builder form. In roster form, we write the elements, all the elements. We know the elements. In set builder form, we are writing its rule. Okay. Now, next we are discussing about types of sets. First set, empty set. What we learned so far. Number one, empty set. It is in the name only. No elements are there. No elements in it. It is symbol of empty set. Second one, singleton set. Singleton set. Only one element. Only one element. 2 is an even prime. Our Telangana state have only one capital, that is Hyderabad. And now they are saying the Andhra state, there are 3 capitals. Amravati, Visakhapatnam, and other places. Amravati, Visakhapatnam, and Kadapa, I think. So, Delhi has one capital. Sorry, our India's capital is Delhi. So only one. 2 is an even bracket. Third one, yesterday we learned about equal sets. And 2 sets have same elements. I have given you examples. Earth, heart. Spelling is letters are same, but words are different. Sets are different, but elements, objects are same. Diary, you are writing your activities daily, that is diary on your notebook, and dairy farm, milk product, that is spelling is letters are same but words are different. Equal sets. And now, and also I have explained these finite, finite set, infinite set, infinite set. In finite set we have cardinal number. There are 7 days in a week, 365 days in a year, 12 months in a year. Like we have one figure. That figure is called cardinal number. In your 8th class A section, cardinal number is 30. 30 students are there, suppose. So cardinal number of 88 is, we can count the elements. Such set is called finite set. Infinite set we cannot count. Counting starts but no ending. Such sets are called infinite sets. It don't have cardinal number. And next I explained yesterday subset. And next A is a subset of B symbol. Subset. And the 7th universal set. Universal set. Universal set. Now today I want to explain equivalent set. Equivalent set. N of set A equal to cardinal number is same. Two sets have same number of elements. Elements are not same, but cardinal number is equal. If now I want to explain equivalent set. Equivalent sets means cardinal number of set A equal to cardinal number of B. If two sets have same cardinal number of elements or objects, then the sets are called equivalent sets. Equivalent sets. Set A is having 1, 2, 3, 4. So N of A 4 elements. Set B A, B, C, D. N of B, number of elements in set B are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. Like this. So if two sets have same cardinal number, then they are said to be equivalent sets. And C, a man, M-A-N. N of C, 3. And D, set D, boy. B, O, Y. These two are called equivalent sets, that is written as this symbol. A is equivalent to B. This is the symbol equivalent set. A equivalent to B means number of elements are same. Subsets I explain now. And one more given here, complement set. In the ninth complement set, follow this complement set, that means superset minus A complement. Now I want to explain this complement set. Complement set. Suppose set C complement. C stands for complement of A, means mu minus A. Mu is where mu is universal set. Mu is universal set. And set A given. Suppose example, mu equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Set A given 2, 3, 5, 6, 9 given. Find complement A. AC. Complement of set A, AC is equal to mu minus A. What is mu? Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what is A? 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. 5 also. 5, 6, 9. Equals 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5. And remaining elements 9. So, total determinant 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 8, 10. So, this is the complement of set A. A is the subset of mu, then remaining elements of mu is called complement set. A is the subset of universal set, then the set of all those elements of universal set which do not belongs to A, mu minus A, is called complement set. Complement set meaning is when A is a subset of mu, the remaining elements of mu are complement remaining elements. So, children, do all examples and let us do few more problems in the next class. Thank you.